Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, there is a new kid on the block, a new reality show that's going to be kicking off on the 16th of February, which is the Sunday, you guys. And it's called Thinah singoZungu. Now there has been rumors, or there was rumors the past couple of months that Thinah Zungu, who is a South African gospel singer, will be having a reality show. Guys, it does seem like it's going to be interesting, but my question is, Thinah Zungu, he's well known, but he is a gospel singer. And there is some sort of expectation that the public has on you in terms of the way you live your life when it comes to you being a gospel singer. So angazi, if they're really going to be authentic, do they have the drama that South Africans love for a reality TV show on a Sunday evening? Angazi, you guys, or are they going to be showing us like putting best umbrella nje izinto, like putting scenes that just don't make sense just so that they can get viewership or something like that? That's going to be interesting to see, because Thinah Zungu, he doesn't look like a troublesome guy. He looks like a quiet guy who just loves his work and all of that. So that's going to be interesting to see. But the trailer has been released, guys, and it does look like ingathi kuzoba nedrama nyana. We see a scene that kind of caught me off guard, where the wife is crying, and the wife, Thinah, is saying that the reason why the wife is crying is because she's concerned about infidelity, meaning that there were cases in the past where Thinah Zungu was not faithful to her or something like that. But it looks like it is going to be a TV show about their family, about the fame that comes, or the sacrifices that come with the fame and all of that. I know most of us know Thinah Zungu, his son, also sings now. I see him, he's also going to be very active in the diary session. I don't know what to think about this, but all I'm going to say is let's wait for Sunday and see how it kicks off. It really is going to be an interesting one. I really wonder if Thinah Zungu is really ready to open up that side of his life, because I've always said, once you start a reality TV show, guys, we as the public, we start feeling like we know you, and other people start feeling entitled to your life, and there's no going back from there again. So let's wait and see. But anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. What's your expectations? Will you be tuning in or not? But you know us, we will be here reporting on it, you guys. Anyway, tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.